got around. This is it. Keep it clean, through and throughout. Jet Hayes, roll it out. We're good. Go high, high, high. 1, 2, 1, 2. 2, clear. Watch the back, back. Loop, loop, clear. Watch the 2, high 2, high 2, high 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Clear. 3, 3, high 4, high 4. Easy there, watch it, watch it, watch it, watch this from the front straight, front straight, front straight. Turn leader is Tony, he's red, red. If you got red, go high 3, high 3, high 3, high 3. Oh, we got it. Oh, watch it guys, do not come out like that. Please wait for Marshall to grab you. These walls are too high to come out like that. Then you're in the middle of a hot lap battle there, or battle for 1. Watch that 2, watch the 2, watch the 2.
Let me get around you, bud. Let me get around you. Try not to hit you. Try not to hit you. Damn. Come on now.
Your leader.
Easy on the back, on the back, on the back, on the back. Number 1, got that 1, 83, high 4, high 4, high 4, high 4, high 4.
Dude, turn so right.
Leader has that orange 83, blue and white with the orange 83. Watch that front, go towards pit lane, towards pit lane, towards pit lane, towards pit lane, towards pit lane. Clear. The final minute approaching. Hey, white tank in the top 3. 1 minute left. Dating in the top 3 right now. Hopefully you got number 3 right there, and your number 2. You can claim it too. I'm watching, I'm looking. Watch the high 1, high 1, high 1. 2, sorry.
Oh, sorry about that.
At this point, if I did not call your name, that means you're not in the top 3. If you have a car coming up on you, it'll let it by.
Keep it together, keep it together, keep it together, keep it together.
20 seconds to go. The battle scene between Jet and Tony. 15 seconds left. Red, red, red. Oh!
Dang it! Hurry up! Please hurry!
Gotta make way. 1, 1, 1, 1. Come on, guys. 1, 2, 1. Chase done. Chase done. Bomber done. 20 seconds done. Leave me stay where we were. Your top 3 not in Mudboss. Hayes, Tony, and Pennington.
Oh, I held the second. I held the second. Held the second. Good race, Jet. Good race, bud.
That is it for racing tonight.
That's a wrap from the track. If you like the video, subscribe and give us a like. It really helps the channel grow. For those who want to join our pit crew and support what we do, head over to our Buy Me a Coffee page. It's a digital tip jar that helps us improve the content for everyone in the community. Hit the link in the description to help us out. Thanks for the support and keep on racing.